Article 1228. Proof of actual damages suffered by the creditor is not necessary in order that the penalty may be demanded. The penalty referred to this article refers to the penalty as stipulated in the penal clause. And the penalty clause is a clause within a contract that seeks to make the counterparty responsible for paying a large sum of money if they breach the contract. However, this sum of money is usually not proportionate to the loss that will be suffered due to the breach. And a breach is a violation of law or when a party fails to perform their part of a contractual agreement. There is no need to prove that there was actually damages suffered by the creditor, as it is enough that there is a stipulation in the contract. As a result, the creditor may enforce the penalty whether he suffered damages or not. However, he cannot recover more than the stipulated penalty. In addition, he must prove the amount of such damages which he actually suffered resulting from the breach of the principal obligation. And one of the examples that I can give about this article is A promises to deliver to B 100 bottles of wine on a certain day when a bouquet will be held, and the contract states that the failure of A to do so on that day will result in a forfeiture of 100,000 pesos. On that day, A was able to deliver only 90 of 100 bottles promised. So the penal obligation there are the penalties that arise from a breach of obligation. And one of the examples for that is if a person fails to pay a bill on time in breach of the terms and condition of a contract they sign, they may have a penal obligation to pay a penalty fee.